My kids are outside playing, and I'm going to try and take advantage of this time to do a declutter of this cupboard because it's one of those domino effects. I want this space to be like a coffee and tea bar, but I need to declutter a bunch of this. I got some new unbreakable cups, I guess is what Sam's Club calls them, because we keep breaking our actual glassware. So we're going to get rid of a bunch. Okay, I'm hoping you can see well enough. Oh, because the dog can get into the garbage, this is our lock. Since for some reason our garbage is closed today. Oh, that's my life. Okay. I don't really want to pull everything out and put it back in, but there's stuff in here I know that we don't use. Especially the stuff in the back. Like this, it's kind of cracked. I don't use that anymore. This we don't use. Use that. Do not use this. One of these is broken. Either way, we don't need these. Oh, we do have the straw lid got chewed on. So that kind of gross. I feel like this is the other one, but again, I got chewed on. This got nasty. This is from when I graduated, class of 07. It apparently was a tumbler. I don't need this. I don't. We don't use these. These are not sturdy. They tip over. They don't hold heat. This was supposed to be a gift from my brother a few years ago. Oops. I bet you my kids would like to make that now. A little terrarium kit. Okay, these cups we keep breaking. These are going to go away. My Care Bears cup. I can't get rid of this. Gosh. Some of these, I think maybe were for my grandparents, but I don't need that. We've never used it. Some of these were from our college days. Even like, oh, really, get rid of this. Inappropriate word. We don't need that. This is fading. Reach. Okay. I don't know if I really want these anymore either. I might have to put them in a maybe pile. And this one came off in the dishwasher. I think this was Pocahontas. These little guys were cute, but the kids kept breaking them. So those are gonna go. Okay. No, I like to use these big ones for water sometimes, but I don't need 4 of them. Do you have like your favorite things that like, I don't like to reach for this one for some reason. I like to reach for these other ones. Weird to this one. And this another the same one. Then I'll keep these 2. I do like these cups. had our paper plates in it, but apparently we're out of paper plates now. So I'm going to try to put all of our disposable utensils and stuff up here. I have to go through this. This was just a hodgepodge of stuff. But right now, it's just going to go there. Oh, ew. Halloween candy. It's almost June. I'm going to wipe these out. I should really get something. I don't know. How do you store water bottles? Does it save room? I suppose maybe it makes them more accessible if you store them like that. I don't know. If I want this to be a coffee bar, I also want to be able to bring our coffee mugs over here. Oh boy. Okay, so I'm going to be moving the coffee mugs over here. Oh my gosh, don't look at the layer of dust. But as you can see, like, there's so much in here I can get rid of. Like, we have never used champagne glasses. We rarely use wine glasses. Yeah. There's a lot to get rid of. And it's an awkward cupboard. I'm thinking maybe I hate having the glass because you can see the crap that's back there. I'm thinking maybe I'll put some contact paper over that or something. Side note, I did. Look at that. Okay, so now I'm just bringing over all the coffee mugs and tumblers and everything. I cut out a bunch of this video just because it's kind of boring. I'm just filling up this cupboard. But then as I'm filling it up, I start looking at it and I'm like, this isn't working. So then I have to take everything back out, adjust the heights of the shelves, kind of rework it a little bit. But in the end, I think it turned out okay. You know, it happens a lot where you need to make a couple edits, and that's okay. And on to the next phase of my big plan here. This junk drawer has just been, you know, it has never served real purpose other than just throwing random crap in there. As you can see, it's had no organizational system. This shelf unit thing was a display piece from Menards, hence this sign that's in the drawer. We bought it just on cheap because when we bought this house and we had to replace the refrigerator, well, the refrigerator we bought didn't fit in the space with the cupboards that were there. So we had to just buy this random piece to put in there until the day comes when we actually redo our kitchen. So now my goal is to use this drawer as a tea drawer, and I bought some bins and dividers and things at the Dollar Tree that I'm going to use. I'm hoping it'll turn out okay, but I got to get all this garbage out of the way first. And as you can see, other people are trying to clean up and stuff as I'm going through this, but hey, it's all right. I got it done. We were storing our teas and stuff in here, so I got this emptied out and transferred into our new tea storage drawer. I had to put these loose bags into here, so I just cut off the package and put them in there. And then this was a container I got my friend for Christmas, but the lid does, like, the drawer won't close if the lid is on because it's pretty tight. So whatever, it's all right. Otherwise, there's all of our teas in there. Oh, this wallpaper. I don't know why I thought I would attempt to use this again after failing so miserably at trying to hang it for my drop zone remodel video. But it actually turned out pretty good. Thankfully, the coffee maker and stuff hides a lot of the spots, but this was just drywall back here from when we had to take out the other cupboards and put in our new refrigerator and everything. So we just never got around to painting this area. At some point we'll actually paint the whole kitchen, but I'm just covering this with some of the extra peel and stick wallpaper that I had left over. And here's the end result. I think it turned out pretty good. We have all of our beverages over here now, and plus all of our drinking cups, our coffee mugs, our water cups, water bottles, all of that all fit over here nicely now. And most of the breakable stuff is gone. And then our tea drawer, that's all nice and tucked away, no more junk drawer. And I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you next time.